Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this program we'll show you how you can add new API token in Wise, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on your screen, where you can see your profile picture and profile name at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click on that profile name, and now you can see the settings option at the third. So let's click on the settings option and you'll be redirected to the settings section, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the API tokens, and just down below it you can see there is written you don't have any active API tokens. So let's click on this option and you can see there is three options. First one is add new token, another one is manage public keys, and last one is view documentation. So if you want to know more about API tokens, then simply click on the view documentation, and you will be able to read a documentation related to API tokens from here successfully. So let's get back to the website, and now you can see it add new token. Let's click on this option, and from here you'll be able to add a new API token successfully. So you simply need to give a name or description. Let me give my name. And now just down below it you can see a token permission and two options as well. First one is full access and another one is read only, so you can choose any of them according to your wants. So let me click on the full access for now, and just down below it you can see allowed APIs and it is optional. So finally tap on the or click on the create token, and you will be able to add a new API token successfully. So let's scroll a little bit down and let's see over here. So now you can see there is written one active token. So let's click on it, and in here you can see the permission is full access, name is Looney, and the date created, and you can see your API key over here. So if you want to reveal your key, simply click on the reveal key option, and now simply enter your password and click on the done. And once you verify yourself, you'll be able to reveal your API key from here successfully. And if you want to edit your token, then simply click on the edit this token option, and you'll be able to edit your API token again. And let's get back, and now if you want to delete your API token, then just get back to the API tokens again, and click on the delete this token. Finally confirm the delete token, and you'll be able to delete your token successfully. So basically this is how you can add new API token in Wise. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.